New York 2015, the Fancy Food Show. I'm Martin Morales and we're here to cook some incredible dishes with avocados from Peru and wonderful ingredients. Come and check it out. So we've got to the Peru stand, the Marca Peru stand here in the Fancy Food Show, and everybody's exhibiting incredible ingredients. We're now going to do the avocados from Peru tasting sessions and demonstration. We're going to make two dishes, delicious ceviche and a quinoa and avocado salad. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Doing the prep right here, and we're going to do a demonstration of these two fantastic vegetarian dishes using these babies, avocados from Peru. I'm so excited because everyone came to see us and they just loved it.